How to add gifts in video in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add gift in your video. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application, and after that you can have to select the project. Let me tap on the plus icon and I can add the blank clip. And after that, if I want to add the gift on my video, I can scroll down and you can see I have the sticker option. I can just simply tap on the sticker. After that, you can see at the middle of stickers and the emoji, I can find the gift. And you will find the list of the gifts, and from there you can select your desired gift from there. So this is how you can easily add gifts in your YT Create application during the editing of your video. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.